side. This is full service.
Sorry, hang on a sec. What?
The other side, this is full service, different.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Keeping me all night, keeping me all night. Uncle, keeping me all night, keeping me all night. Uncle, keeping me all night, keeping me all night.
Oh, Maxy's new Aprilia needs some work though. Bearings coming apart. This thing does look nice. Yeah, he's definitely right on the windscreen. He does need a bigger windscreen.
He does. He needs one because of this fucking speed he gets at. I like the way it looks, but I don't think it's practical the windscreen for him.
Yeah.
I have no problem. I thought I wasn't gonna like that windscreen, actually, the look of it, but I mean, your ride's his twin with no windscreen.
Yeah. I rode it with it on, not on there.
Yeah. You tried to get me to ride that thing for a while, bro. And it's just so big that I like, I want to drop it.
Yeah. It's just it's tall. So.
Yeah. Well, getting on it and off it, I'm like, holy shit, bro. Can I even hit the ground with my feet when I'm on it? And then I was like, oh fuck.
Yeah, you can. I was able to.
Yeah.
We're about the same height.
Yeah. No, I rode it a few times, and I was like, dude, I was sold. I actually like them. I won't get rid of my bike for it, but I wouldn't mind having it. There we go.
Hopefully, I can come back and they're just able to fix the wheel. Say, let me drive it.
It doesn't lie, but I'm not counting timers. So I don't know if it's back up or not.
Blacktop, RSV4.
Am I back, guys? You guys there? I lost you guys. I don't know how. I see Rob's
We got
house.
Jixer's 600. And of course mine. Ghosty's bike in the corner there, chilling.
Says I'm on.
It is hot.
Brad, you there? I see everybody's chatting still.
Alright. Well, I'm gonna turn the GoPro off. I'm gonna wait for the rest of the crew to come back and then we'll do some more filming.
only got 4 sauces and with all these motherfuckers.
What?
I'm good.
I will.
We have to split the sauces, guys.
I'm good.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
I'm good. I don't get sauce. When it heats up, it'll
get it
expand a
fucking
little
good.
bit too.
Running like
What?
when I
When
saw
it
my
heats up,
bearings,
it'll
I
expand a
fucking
little bit too.
I swapped the
Does
oil,
it feel
the
better?
filter, the coolant.
My bitch has been up to like 210
I mean,
degrees.
it's not
so
moving.
right now.
Yeah,
It's
there you
got
go.
the grease up in my accident.
Yeah.
You had that cycle
The
grease
bike?
in that bottle.
Grab the lights while
172
you're at it.
fucking horses.
Just do fucking all of it,
I'm
bro.
gonna get
What
the
year
lights
is
up. I
16.
It is good. Cool, good. I gotta do that later. Not that hard.
That's the last year they did
Yeah, but
the
you gotta take off the bearings. too.
analog RPM.
Otherwise, it's gonna pour all inside of it.
That's the only thing I really love.
Hose.
Yeah.
I miss the old dials.
I like
Why
having
don't
the
you
dial
digital?
for my
It's
RPM.
What?
Why don't you like
Take
it
off
digital?
one bearing, that's it.
Shit's bomb, dude.
It's not hard, is it?
I don't. It's not like they have like
I ain't
a
got the money right now.
iPhone UI UX designer. You know what I mean?
I'm in the same boat, dude.
Have you written one of these?
That's why I got college.
Not one of these.
You're gonna fucking dump it.
Listen, dude, let's swap wheels, man. Come on, you'll have a sick black one. I got a good tire on there for you.
Dude, we gotta
Those are
find
brand
fucking Bilbo Baggin's shoes, bro. Where the fuck are they? They're not at the pool. I went out. They're
Ah!
in there, bro. You're gonna get rot foot here soon, dude.
He didn't repeal his washing shoes off.
Yeah.
healthy.
Hillbilly.
Dude, the red is filthy. Did you see the 2019 that I raced against? I made a video where I was racing against the fucking 2019 RSV4, and he had the.
That was on a Zuzo, right?
Dude, these engines will last for 200,000 fucking miles.
Yeah, at least when I
The reason they don't is because people fucking wad them out.
Crash him, but I'm saying overall the components on the bike, you know, like everything on the bike has 19,000 miles. Yeah. I think I was fucking seal on it.
I think 19,000 is basically bringing it in.
battery life on the phone.
I think if I took a peek ski in those cylinders, I'd be like, those are clean enough to eat off of. And you just have the valve service, you have the paperwork on it, but
I mean, it's also the factory version.
yeah, I mean the suspension's never gonna lose value. That's for sure. 19,000, 100,000 miles, this shit's still hot.
You could put them onto the.
I need gold bars to set this thing off.
Huh.
You're fucking-
I'm gonna get pro taper on here and lift them up. Be a little wider. I can't believe that this is all they have for the torque differential, you know, like to like mitigate the pure fucking hit. Did the R1, which had like pretty similar power to weight ratio,
What?
I think.
Good
What's the weight on this?
luck.
I think it's like 430, 440.
It's on the opposite way of town.
On this?
Yeah.
What, 20?
Any idea? What's your weight?
I think 445 with liquids.
Is yours heavy?
It feels heavy, but I don't know. I don't think
Maybe
it's as
455.
Think it's okay to put grease in this?
Yeah, it's about 50.
Record
Where is the hammer?
Door hammer?
Where's the mallet?
behind your foot.
Oh shit. Damn.
Where's your suit, bro? Is it done yet or no?
Yeah, fully designed, ordered. It's just it's being fucking made at the
Just
factory.
waiting on it, dude.
Yeah.
Mine's 489.
The wait time is 6 to
Yours
8
is?
weeks.
Yeah.
But
Oh, is it?
the guy claims it'll come sooner.
Make sure you check your beer.
You got it free?
I actually love to get your beer, so. Or no.
Oh fuck no.
Oh, I thought you got it free,
I
dude.
paid 900.
Oh, they're on their thing because everybody fucking tagged them.
Yeah, I told people to tag him so they could get a fat discount.
Oh, you
Did
get a
you?
discount.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dude, the thing's $1,300.
Oh. Oh, okay. Alright, somebody said you got it free for look that, dude. They're like, hey, spam Bill helmet for fucking.
Spam for
Yeah.
fuck yeah. I mean, the thing is, like, I wouldn't just spam a random company if I didn't actually, like, want to
Right.
use something from them.
That makes
Did
sense,
they give you
right?
any type of sponsorship or anything?
Wouldn't make much sense to go on my shows.
seats.
I just gotta hit the people up.
Yeah.
But it's like I'm not just gonna go up and hit up AGV. I'm not gonna tell people to go hit them up for me. It's like, what the fuck? AGV is not gonna make me, you know, any sort of serious sponsorship immediately. Any sort of offer right now. So it's like I gotta pick and choose.
Yeah.
It's still in the very, very small starting.
Dude, they make this perfect just to dunk it all the way through.
Oh yeah.
That's too much.
Sure.
What's up, guys? We're out test riding the Tuono Aprilia with Maxy, Ghosty, Blacktop. Just going out for a little ride. left. Man, this thing stays up there at those high RPMs. And they're gone. Why is it so loud? Oh, this is not a smooth road. Whoa, easy there, man. I don't know these turns very well, so I'm just kind of keeping my distance, taking it easy. And I'm not wearing a full suit today, so no reason to get too crazy. This is what you guys need to do. You need to ride within your limits. There's no reason to go fast just to try and be better than